Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. I'd like to blend two colors from the outside to the inner line of this letter. I know there's something simple. I'm doing something wrong. I need to be able to have solid fill from red to green. Okay, select both the colors, both the object. And my font might be different because I didn't have your font in Corel automatically change it. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. And I'm going to blend 200 times, and you get that. There's a reason for, well, let's do 20 times so you can see what's going on. That's what we get. So there's something wrong with our two blends. So take the shape tool, and that arrow is going up, that arrow is going right. So select all these nodes and right click and reverse subpath. Now both arrows are going up. Now if you select it all and do 20 times, you get that. I think that's what he's wanting, but we need to go more because you can actually see lines. So let's back up here and let's do 200. And you get a pretty smooth transition. I think you can go to 999, but let's just see what it looks like. I don't think it ought to be any different. It's not. 200 would be good. Now, so that's good. Let me make a duplicate of this and move it over. There's another way you could do something like this. So let's go ahead and make that one back. Now this one, we're going to take, and these are two different parts. So I'm just going to take the outer part, and you can see it's by itself. And instead of blend, I'm going to contour. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour to the inside with green 56 times at 0.06. Now, I don't have to have that green part in there. I'm just using it. I'm using it as an example. Let's just take that out of the way. Let's take this, and because it's the shape of the D, you could have that right there. Look at the difference. There's really no difference. So you could do either one of them. Now, this one might not be, let me make that blue and bring it back. So it's a little bit different shape, but depending on what text you have, and you'll have to play around with that number because I had to play around with it. You know, if I go 0.01, it goes in too tight because it's doing too much. So 0.06 times, let's say 25, is not going to go as far, and it's going to have a lot of space because we're only doing 25. I think I don't know if I had 200 at 0.06. No. Oh, I did 12. Maybe it's 0.006. And you know what? I just did 56. That's right. 56. And I think they're pretty much identical with the exception of the shape is a little bit different and depending on your font. But the main trouble with this blend, and I think there's a little bit of a line there, and there's really no lines there. So I would use the blend tool. That was just kind of showing you off what you could do. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.